Alrighty guys, we're here at the Gabba. We're here with Jimbo and we're here with Cooper. Should be a good game. Jimbo, who do you reckon's getting up today?
Brisbane Lions by 50 points, but you would like to see West Coast win this one, honestly.
Cooper, who do you reckon's winning?
Lions by 132, joke is 13.
Yeah, solid prediction. Don't know who's kicking a bag. Lockie's having 50 plus touches. Should be a demolition. Now that's pretty much going to sum up how that game's going to go. Dane Zorko has dribbled it through within the first 25 seconds of the match. Pretty good start for the Lions. Right, so they've just overturned the call. Apparently it was touched off the boot. Pretty shocking. They're already in the middle set up for the next bounce, but it is what it is. Quarter time here, Lions are up by about 5 goals, 45 to 12. Cooper, how's Joe going, mate?
Not very good.
He's kicked 0. Jack Johnson's on right, he might kick a bag. See how Alright, the Lions finally kicked their second goal of the second quarter. After a bit of controversy, West Coast have actually had most of the pill this term. It's not looking great, but we're still up by 50 odd points, so it'll be right. Half time, Lions are up 68-14. Second half's about to start. Second quarter was pretty shocking. Lions only kicked 3 goals to the Eagles 2 points, but should be a good second half. Hopefully we see a few more goals, and Joey's still yet to hit the scoreboard, so he needs to kick a bag.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee.
Three-quarter time, it is 92-21. Fourth quarter has just started. Pretty shit quarter. Lions are doing so bad. Jimbo?
Yep. What my thoughts on this one?
How are the Lions going in that? They were shit in that quarter, weren't they?
Joe Danaher missed one. I wanted to hear Let It Go, but unfortunately...
Yeah, haven't heard Let It Go. Haven't heard Country Road.
Couple... entertainment news.
Pretty shit game at the Gabba
Good
today.
entertainment though.
Jack Johnson's been 6 goals on return. What a way to bring it up. Yeah.
When you want to hold me when I'm looking good enough, did you ever feel me? Would you ever